Hello mga kapitbahay, my name is Dave Soltero, one of the voice actors for Voice Actors at Home PH, and our goal is to help 1,000 Filipinos go full-time in voice acting by 2025, and you could be one of them. Today we're going to answer the question, kailangan ko ba ng American accent para mag-voice acting, or do I need an American accent to be a voice actor in the Philippines? Yes and no. Dun muna tayo sa yes. If you can speak with an American accent, malaking bagay yun because maraming projects na kailangan yun. We live in the digital age where everyone's trying to make content that can be consumed globally. As of today, I've had over 535 voiceover sales in the United States, 45 in Canada, 234 in India, 179 in China, and the list goes on. An American accent helps you work with clients all over the world, even if you're based in the Philippines. And for the projects that you can get here in the Philippines, a lot of them do require an American accent or something close, which people like to call neutral. I personally call it Filipino broadcast English, which is more or less what you would hear sa ANC. When it comes to dubbing, foreign producers love hiring Filipinos because the Philippines is consistently among the top Asian countries when it comes to English proficiency. That said, if you have an American accent, pero nahihirapan kang magsalita in Filipino, sayang yung Filipino projects. Which brings us to no, you do not need an American accent para maging voice actor dito sa Pilipinas. Maraming nabubuhay as voice actors all their lives just speaking Filipino. Kasi pag nasa Pilipinas ka, the audience for most of the projects you would be getting would be Filipinos. Try to watch national TV. Most of the content there is either in Filipino or in English that's not quite American or neutral. And I share this not to brag but to encourage you and to share the reality. Personally, my highest paying project for 3 hours of time, which is a multi-six-figure commercial, was recorded in Filipino. Because in the global market, no one speaks Filipino better than actual Filipinos. Now, if I had an American accent pero nahihirapan ako mag-Filipino while auditioning for that, I wouldn't have booked the project. And of course, if you live in Visayas or Mindanao, for instance, the accent that you develop there would be perfect for your audience there. You can get projects exactly where you are. As they say, bloom where you're planted. And that's it for this video. If you'd like more content that can help you become a full-time voice actor as a Filipino, check out this other video.